about to go to the FuelFest car show. Super stoked, super excited. Wanted to do something special for my dad, and here we are. Today's the day. So, let's go, guys. We finna see cars driving fast, and I don't know. I'm just getting pumped.
With a new solution, transit hits with no delusion. If that's the devil out there, get messy, loud and sick. Your mind, that's no more than another head trip. Let's get it started.
Is your car? Awesome. I love it. I love the color.
Let's get into it. Get stupid. Get started. Get started. Get started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started.
My dad had a truck that night.
Wow.
One of the six different on the steering wheel.
That's Toyota?
Grade 6.
Let's keep it alive. CapCut is going live. Don't forget, CapCut today sponsored by the U.S. Marines.
Oh my God.
What is that, baby blue?
Yeah, I like that color. I like the design of it. It's nice.
Oh, there's somebody in there.
There is?
Yep.
Oh, I didn't even notice.
I don't even hear the car running.
It's not on.
It is on, because you know, man, look how tight them windows rolled up. You know, it gotta be hot in there. That's his car, because I just seen him hit the alarm.
Oh, look at this thing. What in the heck? Is his wheel supposed to be like that?
That's what we were saying in that other car. I think the wheel,
They supposed to ride like
they
that?
make them wheels like that.
What? Wow. That's something else. I mean, we could ask him, but that's something. I've never seen that before. Hey, I'm sorry, I had a question. We were just wondering, do the wheels, do they straighten out? Like when you, they just, so when you drive, they stay like that?
Yeah, so when I drive, it's wide.
Wow, a 2010. That's cool.
We just seen what they did with a 1946.
2010, that's not that new. That's
1946?
That's awesome.
Mercedes. I love Mercedes symbol. I love that symbol. They got the best symbol.
It's just that at first.
BMW, man. Look at the paint job on that, man.
Oh my God. Oh, that's paint?
Right. That's
Wow.
what that is up there.
That's awesome. Like, this is so freaking cool. Like, there's so many awesome cars out here, yo. It's crazy. Wow. That's a BMW too, and that's got like a drop top. Is this your car? What year is it? 2016? Okay, it's nice.
What year?
2016.
16.
Wow, I can't believe the owners just be sitting in their cars. Like,
Right.
they just chilling. Like, this is my car.
Work out that day, okay.
every day. That's a lot on their tires.
They're definitely messing them. They're definitely on them tires right now.
Because cars are really not meant to be driven like that, are they? No.
Well, yeah, they.
No.
Why they driving them like that?
Yeah, but they're not meant to be driven like that.
They are, man.
What year is this?
16.
2016? 2016.
16?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you'd have guessed it right, you'd have got it, but you're wrong.
Wow.
You can take a look.
Sure.
Look up at the ceiling.
Look up at the ceiling?
Yeah, don't touch it, but look up.
Wow. It's nice.
It was like he's never sat in a Rolls Royce before. I've never stood next to one.
Oh. Wow. Yeah, it's cool. Let me take a photo of it real quick.
We're so generous to let people check out. Yeah, thank you.
Yes, appreciate it. Wow, that was nice. Nice.
They coming over to us?
We're not doing nothing wrong.
I figured we were just sitting right here. They might want to say something.
Well, they can just ask us to move, but we're just sitting. Yeah, this is nice. Do something or what? I'm trying to think if you need the hood at all. 1991. 1991. Wow.
And then the headlights lit up.
Yeah, like you can see everything on
That's
it.
so cool.
Baby running good too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks good. Wow, there's some real like car enthusiasts.
People be sitting in their car.
Oh, I didn't know there was more down there.
Yeah, no, look.
I didn't know there was more down there.
Remember the map.
There's more down there. I didn't know that.
Right, that's where I'm going, yeah.
Yeah. Battle game.
Look at that, man.
Oh.
It stops, it goes down. That's cool.
We'll see. My dad, he'll start up and take it out.
You the owner? It's nice. What year is this?
68.
68? Wow, okay.
68 2500. Originally come with a V6 in it.
It originally came with a V6? Wow. Wow, it's fast. Fast.
The only thing original to the truck is the rear end.
Say that again?
The only thing still original to the truck is the rear end and the body.
Okay.
And the seat, of course.
Right.
Custom.
Yep.
So real.
Yeah,
I feel like I never see metal cars anymore.
Yeah.
They're all plastic now.
Yeah,
I ain't got polishing as much.
That's them
Yeah,
hydraulics,
airbags.
ain't it?
Yeah, it rides up and down.
Yeah.
Wow.
Cool.
Yeah.
One has a traffic in it. Don't break. I said the lock.
This is so cool. First car show.
Now, the rest of you, whose FuelFest is this your first FuelFest? Raise your hand if this is your first FuelFest.
That's funny. He said, my first car show. He said, raise your hand if it's your first FuelFest.
See this one.
You know what it means?
Sorry?
You know what it means?
What, Baja Ponte? No, I'm scared. What does it mean?
Panic dropper.
Oh, that's so funny. Oh my God.
What size motor is that?
What size?
Yeah, what size?
1.1.
A one, what?
1.
1.1?
Over here, this side. This side.
How loud is it?
Real loud.
I want to hear how loud it is.
Turns around.
What year is it?
The engine is 85. The truck is 89. Swap.
I like that motor, man. It look like, but it's just something to say. It's just surprising for you to tell me it's not a gas saver, though.
No.
But that's because of that.
I think this Cadillac And this pink BMW. I like that. That's nice. Wow, I like this.
I know. Oh, look at that one.
That's a nice one too. It is.
Wow.
Wow, it's pretty.
We got some more coming up. Don't worry. We got everything. Let's go. I got more tea.
Wow, I've never seen nothing like this before. What is that for?
I don't know. That's so cool.
Yeah, I like the color.
Yeah, because looking at the green side actually makes you see the windshield better.
What are the hundreds for? Are we supposed to take those?
I think it's make money. So just make the money. It look like money green, you know, like decoration.
Oh.